哇！而家要砌 ABC， 砌完 A 啦，而家砌 B。到 C 啦，猜完啦。A is for apple. B is for bee. C is for cat. 完了。番薯可以學英文 ，A 有 ambulance，B 有 baby，C 有 cake， 係咪好好玩啊？而家我哋要砌1、2、3。而家我哋要有1、2、3啦。猜完，反轉後邊。1有好多1字，仲有2同埋3，反轉。1有1隻松鼠。2有2隻兔仔，3係有3隻熊仔。哇！而家就砌完，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。咁我砌埋 ABCD， 不過冇位喎。揾完玩具收拾先。我抄埋 ABCD 啦。我識睇晒全部嘅。P。而家我睇緊 U。OK 啦。Unicorn 個卡通好好玩啊！S 係咁樣嘅。而家我哋砌晒 A 到 C 啦，咁我哋唱 ABC song。A P C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z Now I know my ABC. Next time want to sing with me. You go turn on the channel. Get that you